See, I don't know. When I get things, it's more like an image, but in the back of my brain, if that makes sense. Totally makes sense. Yeah. You know, the back of your brain, it just so happens that's where your pineal gland is located. So it's slightly back from the center of your head and slightly down below. Okay. And the pineal gland is, a lot of people will say it's like your spiritual gland where you could connect with spirit that way. Okay. The thing with the pineal gland, it has cells inside the pineal gland. And they're very similar to the cells in your eyes, right? So the fact that you can see with your eyes, you'll get similar experience by seeing energy with your pineal gland. All right. So yeah, makes total sense.